Hello everyone, my name is Almas Ahmed and today I'll be presenting on cloud deployment on AWS. We will explore the fundamental buildings blocks that makes Amazon Web Services a leader in cloud solutions. To start, it is important to understand the five pillars of AWS core services. Compute, the engine for running your application in the cloud. Storage, ensuring your data is durable and accessible across all services. Networking, the infrastructure that connects resources securely while enhancing performance. Containers, services that allow for easy management of modern applications. Managed databases, these simplify backend operations and ensure high data reliability. Let's dive deeper into computer services. AWS offers three primary paths depending on your needs. EC2 instances. These are flexible virtual servers giving you full control over the OS and networking. Serverless Lambda, an event-driven model where you run code without managing servers, paying only for the execution time. Elastic Beanstalk, a managed platform that abstracts infrastructure complexity for quick web application deployment. Next, we have storage. AWS provides solution based on the type of data access required. S3, which is called Simple Storage Services. Scalable object storage for files, backup, and static content. EBS, Elastic Block Store. High performance persistent block storage especially for EC2 instances. EFS, Elastic File System, a scalable shared file system that allows multiple EC2 instances to access the same data currently. Networking is the backbone of your cloud environment. Key concepts include VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, an isolated network where you control IP addresses and security. Subnets. This segments your VPC into public and private zones to manage traffic. Internet Gateway. This acts as the bridge between your VPC and the internet, allowing secure external communication. Networking essential. Continuing with networking, we focus on security and connectivity. Security groups. These act as virtual firewalls to control inbound and outbound traffic. Elastic IP, a static IP address that ensures consistent access to resources even as they change. Route 53, a scalable DNS service that maps domain names to your AWS resources. Since we mentioned Route 53, it's vital to understand DNS records. Our records map domains name directly to IP addresses. CNAME records, alias on domain name to another for management flexibility. MX records, direct email traffic to the correct mail servers based on priority. Modern deployment often rely on containers and managed databases. ECS simplify running Docker containers in the cloud. EKS fully managed Kubernetes services where AWS handles the control plane. RDS automates complex tasks like patching and backups for engines like MySQL and PostgreSQL. To manage this database effectively, AWS focus on three features: automated backups. Regular snapshot ensures data integrity and easy recovery. Scaling. Services adapt to demand automatically to handle traffic spikes. Replication. Duplicate copies are created across multiple locations to ensure your application stays online during outages. Integrated cloud architecture. Finally, we look at how these pieces fit together into a robust solution by combining ECS or EKS for container management and RDS backend for reliable data and Route 53 for efficient routing. we create an ecosystem that is scalable, secure, and flexible. Thank you for your attention today. I hope this gave you a clear overview of how AWS facilitates efficient cloud deployments.